Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and press the bell icon. In this video, we're diving into one of the most essential topics in Laravel development, custom validation messages in Laravel 12. If you've worked with Laravel before, you probably know how important validation is when it comes to ensuring clean and reliable data in your applications. But what if you want to customize those error messages to make them more user-friendly, clear, and specific to your app's needs? That's exactly what we're going to cover in this tutorial. So let's get started. Before we dive into the code, let's take a quick look at the demo. Here we have a simple form to create a note with fields for the title and content, along with a save button. If we click the save button without entering any data, you'll see the default error messages. The title field is required and the content field is required. Now, let's enter just 2 characters in both the title and content fields, and then click the save button. You'll see the default error messages. The content field must be at least 10 characters and the title field must be at least 5 characters. Next, if we enter more than 50 characters in the title field and click the save button, you'll see the default error message. The title field must not be greater than 50 characters. Now, let's see how our custom error messages look in action. Click the save button without entering any data, and you'll see the custom error messages. A title is required to continue, and don't forget to add content. Now, let's enter just 2 characters in both the title and content fields, and then click the save button. You'll see the custom error messages. The title should be at least 5 characters. Try adding more detail and your content is a bit short. Please write at least 10 characters. Next, if we enter more than 50 characters in the title field and click the save button, you'll see the custom error message. The title is too long. Please keep it under 50 characters. Alright, now let's jump into the code and see how we can implement these custom error messages in Laravel 12. To save time, I've already installed Laravel 12 without any starter kit. For the database, I'm using SQLite to keep things simple, and Tailwind CSS is included by default with Laravel 12, so we'll use that as well. Inside the resources/views folder, I've created a new folder called layouts. In that folder, I've added a file named app.blade.php, which will serve as our main layout file. Here, we're using the @vite directive to load our compiled CSS and JavaScript files, specifically app.css and app.js from the resources folder. In the body tag, I've added a main tag. Inside this tag, we use @yield content, which is where the content from each child view will be inserted when using this layout. Next, I created a note controller using the artisan command, php artisan make :controller note controller. In this controller, I've defined 2 methods: create, for displaying the form, and store, to validate and save the note. In the store method, we first validate the form inputs using the $request validate method. Here, the title field is required, must be a string, with a minimum of 5 characters and a maximum of 50 characters. The content field is required, must be a string, and must have at least 10 characters. Next, we use Eloquent's create method to store the validated data as a new note in the database. Then, we use dd, created, to confirm that the note was successfully created. Then, create a note model along with its migration using the command, php artisan make :model note-m. Inside the note model, we define title and content as fiable fields by adding them to the $fiable array. This allows mass assignment when saving data. In the migration file, we add a title column of type string and a content column of type text. Then, migrate the database using the command, php artisan migrate. In the web.php file, add a route with the URI/notes/create that uses the create method of note controller and name the route notes.create. This route will display the form to create a new note. Then, add a post route with the URI/notes that points to the store method of note controller and name it notes store. This route handles the submission of the create note form. Next, create a notes.blade.php file inside the notes folder, which is located in the views directory. Now let's take a look at the form used for creating a note. Here the action attribute is set to route notes.store, which generates the URL for the notes.store. The method is post, and we've added the @csrf directive to protect the form from cross-site request forgery attacks. Here, we have an input field for the title with the name attribute set to title. After the input, we use the @error directive to display any validation error messages for the title field. Next, we have a text area for the content with the name attribute set to content. Just like with the title input, we use the @error directive below the text area to display any validation error messages for the content field. We also set value equals old, title, for title and old, content, for content to retain the input values after a validation error. Now, let's see how to display custom error messages. Open notecontroller.php file. To display custom error messages, we add an array to the validate method. Inside this array, we define custom messages for different validation rules. For title.required, the message will be a title is required to continue. Duplicate this line 3 times. For title.string, the message will be make sure the title contains valid text. For title.min, the message will say the title should be at least :min characters. Try adding more detail. For title.max, the message will say the title is too long. Please keep it under :max characters. Similarly, define custom messages for the content field as well. Now, let's see if the custom validation messages are displayed. Reload the page. Click the Save button without entering title and content, and you'll see the custom error messages. A title is required to continue, and don't forget to add content. Now, let's enter just 2 characters in both the title and content fields, and then click the Save button. You'll see the custom error messages. The title field should be at least 5 characters. Try adding more detail and your content is a bit short. Please write at least 10 characters. Next, if we enter more than 50 characters in the title field and click the Save button, you'll see the custom error message. The title is too long. Please keep it under 50 characters. Instead of adding the custom validation messages directly in the array within the validate method, let's create a method called custom messages and move the validation messages there. Define a method called custom messages which returns an array. Cut these custom error messages and paste them inside the array. Remove the array we added to the validate method. Now, call the custom messages method in the validate method to use the custom validation messages. Reload the page. Click the Save button without entering title and content, and you'll see the custom error messages. A title is required to continue, and don't forget to add content. Next, enter just 2 characters in both the title and content fields. Then click the Save button. You'll see the custom error messages we saw earlier. Then if we enter more than 50 characters in the title field and click the Save button, you'll see the custom error message as before. The title is too long. Please keep it under 50 characters. Now, to keep our Note controller clean, instead of adding the custom error messages directly in the controller, let's create a form request and store the custom messages inside it. Open your terminal. Type the command php-artisan make :request StoreNoteRequest and press enter. This command will generate StoreNoteRequest class inside app/http/requests folder. The StoreNoteRequest class has been created. Open StoreNoteRequest class located inside app/http/requests folder. First, change false to true in the authorize method to authorize the user for the request. Here we need to add the validation rules. Open Note controller file. Copy these validation rules. Paste the validation rules here. Next, after the rules method, define a method called messages that returns an array. Open notecontroller.php file. Copy this code and paste it inside the messages method in the StoreNoteRequest class. Open notecontroller.php file. Remove the custom messages class. Here, instead of using the request class, we'll inject the StoreNoteRequest class, which allows us to apply the custom validation logic defined in it. Import StoreNoteRequest class. delete this code. Instead of passing the $validated variable, we'll directly pass the $request instance and use the validated method to get the validated data. Go back to the Create Note page and reload the page. Click the Save button without entering any data, and you'll see the custom error messages. A title is required to continue, and don't forget to add content. Next, enter just 2 characters in both the title and content fields. Then click the Save button. You'll see the custom error messages we saw earlier. Then if we enter more than 50 characters in the title field and click the Save button, you'll see the custom error message as before. The title is too long. Please keep it under 50 characters. In this video, we learned how to display custom error messages in Laravel 12. First, we added custom validation messages to the $validated array. Then, we moved these messages into a custom messages method for cleaner code. Finally, we created the StoreNoteRequest class to handle validation and keep the controller clean. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Feel free to drop any questions or comments below, and I'll be happy to help. I will see you in next tutorial. Till then, stay safe.